It's a nice feature to have a video in your Moodle page that shows in a click to play view, like this one here. This is a YouTube click to play view that's resting right in the body of the Moodle page. So let's learn how it's done. I have on this Moodle page a blank horizontal topic section, and the easiest way to do it is to turn editing on and put the video in this blank topic section. I'm going to click on the edit wheel of the topic section. I'm going to turn off the default topic section name and rename this Embedded Click to Play. Notice down here in the summary box, there's this list of icons. And it usually opens up like this with just a few of the icons showing. But if you click on what they call the hamburger icon, it shows all of the editing icons, including this one here. When you float your mouse over it, it says Edit HTML Source. It looks like a sort of a greater than, less than symbols. And those are HTML code symbols, just as a visual so you'll know where we're going to go when we do this. When we get to adding the video to the screen. I also have in another browser my YouTube account opened up and my Your Videos folder open. I happen to have this video from a project a few years back of a worship service, and that's the one that I want to add. So I'm going to click on that here, and YouTube usually starts playing the video at this point, but we don't need it to play. We'll just turn it off for now, and look to the bottom right of the video for the share choice. Click on share, and we're going to use this very first choice, embed, and look, there's those symbols again that we just saw. Let's click on embed, and we see a click to play image that is the one that's going to be inserted into your Moodle page, and we see some coding over here, which is HTML code. This is the actual code exactly that we need to copy and paste into our Moodle page. So I'm just going to look for copy down here in the lower right and click copy. It's highlighted, it's copied, it's in my copy and paste folder. Let's go back to the Moodle page. And then I'm going to, in this summary box, click on that Edit HTML Source icon, and it opens up an HTML source editor box. My cursor is flashing up in the top left here, so I'm ready to paste what I just copied into that box. And click Update. And notice that the image is showing right here in this editing screen, and we can click Save Changes to go back to the Moodle page, turn editing off, and there it is. Now, the student just has to click right on this like they're used to doing in YouTube. With editing turned off, the student sees this video and they just click that play button and it starts playing right there for them. You can hear the sound. They can click on this full screen to blow it up to look at it full screen, watch the video as they need to. They can hit their escape key to go back to the Moodle page, and they can pause and play the video using the YouTube controls down here. All happening right within the Moodle page and not booting them out of the Moodle page to look at the video. It's a nice feature. One more thing I want to show you with editing turned on is that if you edit this topic section a little further, you can click your cursor into this summary box and use your arrow to go to the very top. And just make sure your cursor's at the top here. You can see my cursor's flashing there. And in here you can type some sort of introductory verbiage. This is a great video. And save that. And with editing turned off, you'll see that the student sees that introductory information there. Which you can edit and format any way that you're used to doing. So that's how it's done. Just a note to say that if you use a different source besides YouTube, it's just a question of going to find the embed code for the video, whether it's from Vimeo or YouTube or any other resource, and you're going to paste it exactly the same way, and it's going to work in Moodle. That's how it's done.